Throughout the ages, cultures worldwide have whispered about extraordinary beings. Some of these creatures are deadly, while others are wondrous. But what if these legendary monsters were actually memories of real beasts that lived centuries ago? Today, in this video, we will search for the truth about the mysterious creature known as the skunk ape. Deep in the swamps and wild forests of Florida, where murky waters hide everything that lives beneath their dark surface, and thick fog crawls between rotting trees, some of the strangest legends are born. Among them, one stands out, the story of the skunk ape, also called the swamp yeti or the swamp ape. Eyewitnesses describe it as a towering figure between 6 and 8 feet tall, with a powerful body covered in thick, dark, reddish-brown hair. Its arms are unnaturally long, and its eyes glow in the dark, sometimes orange, sometimes red, as if reflecting light from another world. But there is one detail that makes the skunk ape unique: its smell. Witnesses say the stench is overwhelming, a nauseating mix of rotting meat, sulfur, and the musky spray of a skunk. The first documented stories of the skunk ape date back to the 1800s, when Florida settlers spoke of strange, human-like creatures deep in the swamps. But the legend truly exploded in the 1970s, when reports began pouring in from Collier and Sarasota counties. Local newspapers ran sensational headlines, and some witnesses even provided photographs showing the silhouette of a massive bipedal figure partially hidden by dense vegetation. The most famous piece of evidence came in 2000, known as the Miyaka skunk ape photos. A woman sent 2 pictures to her local police department, claiming the creature had visited her property several nights in a row, digging up plants and stealing fruit. The images showed a large, hairy figure with an ape-like face, bright reflective eyes, and massive shoulders. To this day, the photos are debated. Some see a genuine cryptid, others see a hoax. Some cryptozoologists believe the skunk ape is a relic primate, perhaps a close cousin of Bigfoot, perfectly adapted to Florida's humid, swampy environment. Others suggest it could be a descendant of the ancient Gigantopithecus, surviving in isolation. Skeptics argue that sightings are misidentifications of escaped orangutans, chimpanzees, or even black bears standing upright. But those who claim to have encountered the skunk ape describe it as terrifying. Many recall how the thick, choking stench would hit them seconds. Today, the legend is alive and well. In the heart of the Everglades, there is even a skunk ape research headquarters, where tourists and cryptid hunters from around the world gather to share stories, examine plaster casts of footprints, listen to audio recordings, and study photographs collected over decades. But what is it really? An undiscovered primate? An escaped animal? Or a remnant of an ancient species that has managed to avoid human capture, hiding in the most inaccessible parts of the swamp? No one knows. And until there is proof, the mystery will continue to grow, feeding both fear and fascination. So if you ever find yourself deep in the Everglades, surrounded by mist, mud, and the eerie stillness of the swamp, remember this: sometimes the smell of death is a warning, and if you catch that stench, the skunk ape might already be closer than you think.